Want to know what to do with those annoying plastic Easter eggs once all the chocolate goodness is gone? Nope. Well, I'm going to tell you anyway. Why not make some of these? Warhammer 40k, don't be paying the 51 yo-yos of your hard-earned cash when you have everything you need at home. They're called Boyit Kitu, Claktu, Nuraktu. Hang on, I know someone who knows what these are called.
They're called Killa Kans, and I've already made one.
Wow, rude. Thanks dude for the dig out. So they're apparently called Killa Kans, and Morrigan's Creations are already made some. Late to the party as usual, so you know what that means. Let's start scratching that build. Start with one plastic egg and drop. And once you've finished scrambling about the floor looking for the other side of the egg, stick together. And don't forget to sand down that egg. I'm going to cheat and use these leftovers from an avatar mech as his legs. Sue me, James Cameron. Actually, please don't. I make zero money from YouTube as it is. Swift apology over, glue the legs to the egg. Not forgetting to spray some deodorant at the model to make it smell nice. Time to glue pointy things made from 2mm styrene or a lid from your butter tub. Either way works. Stick on, stick on, stick on, stick on, and stick on. Until you finally get something that resembles something like this. This plastic thing is from a loaf of bread. I'm using it just to annoy the other half and watch as she scours the floor looking for this vital plastic greebly. Update, it's been 2 hours now and I'm seriously regretting using this plastic thing as I've had nothing but grief, but damn does it look good on the egg. More styrene, nibbled away at the edges for effect and to make the legs look different just in case James Cameron's lawyers are watching. Adding more pointy bits to the leg things. Oh, hello. Are you trying to seduce me, Mr. Putty? I'm just going to fill in some cracks, a bit like your Nan does when she's putting her makeup on. While the putty is still soft, scratch away to make interesting lines. Old wires from something that doesn't need these wires anymore are added. Well, they would be added if they would bloody stick on. Dramatic shot of a toolbox entering frame. That is a pin vise, which means we're getting some old school drilling. Do my fingers look big in this shot? Sticking something to something else that you can't remember the names of. Trying to make something stick that clearly doesn't want to be stuck on. Story of my life, really. This came from an old toy. Not sure what it was for, but it's going to be a forearm shortly. So I'm going to stick it to the doodah that has no name, so I named it Doodah, and just hope for the best, really. This didn't come from the avatar mech that I took apart earlier. Ooh, look over there, James Cameron. Somebody's trying to make a remake of the Titanic. Titanic 2. This time, it floats. Can anybody guess this portion of the script? I spilt my tea over it and forgot what I'd written. Sticky on gems, because no Killa can be without. A fast clip of me struggling for 2 minutes trying to get a sticky gem onto the pen. Nearly 5 minutes into the video, so it's code word time. If you're new here, if you want to leave a comment, leave this code word before the comment so I know you got here before skipping. This is something from one of those cheapest chips toys. I'm just going to repurpose it and snip away. Unnecessary greebly goes there. I know, why don't I just add some more sticky gems to the build because it's not like I've got enough sticky gems. Adding a broken antennae from a sprue because hell, why not? This isn't the droid's arm you're looking for. Non-avatar mech arm goes here. And there is one complete Killa Kan. Just need some paint now. Oh, but wait, something's not right. It needs a weapon. Quick, the beads! The beads! Did I tell you guys that I'm taking acting lessons? Spray bottle top and some beads to make a cannon gun. The thing that I threw away a couple of shots ago is now repurposed and stuck onto the egg because it's kind of cool. That is definitely not from a James Cameron Avatar mech. That is from the junk bots, which I'm just sticking onto the spray bottle lid. You shall go there, my precious. Look at me, all fingers and thumbs as usual. So obviously if you paint a Killa Kans, it's gonna... hang on, what's this? Get out of the way. Let's get... okay, let's get some... there he is. There's the Killa Kans, all primed up, ready to go, and it's going to be red. But before we do the red, we've got to use the metallic all over the egg. I mean the Killa Kan. And while that's drying, it's onto the red. Going to use a bit of mixture of red and some more red. Hold your breath while I pour this in. Oh look, no spillage. Oh look, chipping medium, uncharted territory. Gonna try and use this on the Killa Kans. Fingers crossed. Once everything's dried, paint. Red. With more red. And more red added, god damn it, because it's a red figure. And once all that's dried, go back in with metallic and paint all the little bits that really annoy you and take ages to do. So let's add a splash of colour. Yellow, because there's nothing more orky or Killa Kan-y like yellow, I think. I really should have watched Morrigan's Creations video first. Okay, so I did a quick check on Morrigan Creations video, and apparently there's some sort of like black and white squares that need to go down. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Finishing touches. Won't be long now before the glamour shots. I bet you thought I'd forgotten about the chipping medium. I hadn't. Get some water. Get a Q-tip and then dip the Q-tip in water and then gently rub. This is going to sound kind of rude, but keep rubbing until the paint comes off. And hopefully if you've done it correct, then it's going to look like chips and scuffs in the paintwork. If you haven't, then it's just going to look stupid. A bit like this. Once you're happy with how it looks, cover the entire piece with black wash to hide all your bad painting. And if you put too much on, you can always dab away and reapply. And as that is near the end of the video, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, do all that YouTubery stuff, and until next time, keep scratching that build, everybody. Now it's the glamour shots. You know, if I've made one, he's going to need a friend, so here's his friend.